What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We're going to be pulling off that toilet because the main drain is backing up. So we just shut off the water. We have our 1/2-inch wrench. So we got a huge crack on the tank. Hopefully that doesn't split by the time we're done here. As you can see, the water backing up there. It would have been just as easy to go from the floor drain, but it's cemented in. It's always nice. Flange is broken. So we're going to take this and just sit it over on the counter. So it looks like it's an offset flange. Kind of see inside there. We're hoping it's, we know it's back to back. I just hopefully they didn't make it a T. We're going to be running the Milwaukee today. Because we don't know if we got power anywhere close by, so it's just easier to run this machine. So that's good. So it looks like it's still maybe holding some water. I'm gonna pull it out and see if that does anything. So I still see water in there, but I don't know if it's just bad slope. Maybe we'll go a little bit further. Like everything else is clear. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I have the shower running next door. We're in a shipping plant, and they got a shower. They said the shower's backing up, so I wonder if that's maybe why. I'm gonna pull it out, put everything back together. Nothing came out. Alright. I'll be right back. So I'm going to shut everything off, and there's still a little bit of water in there, so I'm guessing it's going to be bad slope. So this is where I leave it, and I say thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, this has been Jay, that Brewing Guy, signing out. Toronto.